Hi, I am Shelly. Are you worried about your career as a checkpoint professional? Are you looking to get certified immediately for the 156-315.8 One Checkpoint Certified Security Expert R81 exam? Yes, you can do it with the latest and updated checkpoint practice test material available with Exams Empire.com. Step 1. Just go to the website and type your desired test course code, for example 156-315.8 One in the search box and download and try its free demo sample to check out the products for free. Step 2. You can proceed to checkout and access your Checkpoint Certified Security Expert Practice exam under your account area once you have proceeded with the payment. Step 3. Memorize and practice the accessed material and practice test in a real exam environment to attempt your registered checkpoint exam. You need to memorize the exam answers themselves. Step 4. Go to your registered website to attempt your checkpoint certification test and enjoy being a certified specialist. Thank you for watching. To watch more related videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for getting frequent updates.